What are high probability request sequences? I'm glad you asked. So another word for this is behavior momentum. So you're going to use this strategy when you have a student in your class that regularly does not want to engage in a non-preferred task. So what you're going to do is you're going to give the student 3 requests that they will likely comply with. Those are your high probability requests. Some people refer to them as your high Ps. So you're going to give 3 high probability requests before you give your low probability request, which is the task that your student is not likely to do. And those are also referred to as low Ps. Okay, so you're going to give 3 high probability requests before you deliver the request that the student is likely not going to want to comply with. So it might look something like this. Class, go ahead and get started on your writing assignment. And if little Johnny does not begin on his writing assignment, you can go over to him and whisper something along the lines of, "Hey, Johnny, can you get out your paper?" And then you're going to come back, and if he has complied, you're going to say, "Great job. Can you get out your pencil?" And then you're going to wait and come back. If he has gotten out his pencil, you're going to say, "Oh, great job. Can you just write your name on the top of this paper?" And you're going to leave and come back. And when you come back, if Johnny has written his name on the top of his paper, you're going to say, "Great job. Now just go ahead and write a few sentences and get started on your writing assignment." And you're going to leave and come back. And then you have delivered your low P request. You have gotten the student to start writing the few sentences that he probably was not going to want to write. So again, for behavior momentum, what you're going to do is give the student 3 or 4 tasks that they are very likely to comply with before you give them a task that they're not going to want to comply with. And the example I gave you was in terms of all academic content, but you could also try this by doing silly things such as you could do it with the whole class and say, "Let's all stand up and do 5 jumping jacks." Okay. Let's all pat our head. Okay. Let's all reach down and touch our toes. Okay, great. Let's get started on our math test.